To pay instrumentally on SHEIN, from your home screen, you select checkout. You should select your cart. You select your cart items. You select checkout. It takes you to your payment method. So on your payment method, you select buy now, pay later right here. And you take this option tab right here. You select Klarna. And you select continue. Then you take continue. It takes you to an option you have to pay in 4 installments. So from here it's going to show you where you input your card details. Right here there's a network error. You input your card details, and then from your card details your payment method will be deducted as agreed or as scheduled. That's instrumentally